Assalamu alaikum everyone. If you are going to appear in paper 3 of A2 level economics, then this video series will really help you solving MCQ questions, and I will be solving MCQs topically. You can see the list of topics here, content list, and I also suggest all of you to try to buy this book. This book contains solutions of these MCQs as well, and it has huge stock of MCQs from past paper questions, and each question has been solved as well. So in this video lecture I will be explaining you the first topic, that is budget line, and budget line से related जो questions हैं उनको हम देख रहे होंगे. I will pick some MCQs from this topic and explain them so that you can easily solve other relevant questions from this topic easily. And the first topic, budget line, is basically, you can see it here, and the first question I will be solving. First question number 1 says, in the diagram a consumer's budget line shifts from JK to JH. What can definitely be concluded from the diagram? आप वीडियो को स्टॉप करें और उसके बाद आप खुद सोचें कि इसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए, and after that you can again start the video and see what is the correct answer. In the diagram, a consumer's budget line shifts from JK to JH. It means the initial budget line was JK, showing that consumer's purchasing power is he can purchase OK quantity of X good and OJ quantity of Y good. And now it shifts to JH. It means the new budget line is this. It means now consumer can purchase greater quantity of X good. So it clearly shows that consumer's purchasing power has increased. And whenever we talk about consumer's purchasing power, we talk about real income of the consumer. Real income means purchasing power of consumer. So there has been an increase in consumer's real income. C is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the next question which I am going to discuss. In the diagram, a consumer's budget line shifts from GH to JK. It means initially budget line was GH, this was the budget line, and now it has shifted to JK. So this is the new budget line. It means now consumer's purchasing power for X has decreased because he can purchase now lesser quantity of X, and purchasing power for Y has increased. And this kind of shift in budget lines, when two budget lines cross each other, it is basically the substitution effect, and we talk about relative change. And so option A is the correct answer for this question. The price of good X has increased relative to the price of good Y. It means now X has become expensive, that's why consumer's purchasing power has decreased, and this is relatively expensive means purchasing power of consumer for Y good has increased. Question number 17 is another question which I am going to discuss, and the diagram shows a consumer's budget line PQ when the consumer's income was $20 per day and the prices of X and Y were $2 and $1.25 respectively. The consumer's income increased to $30, and at the same time the prices of X and Y change. Okay, so if the consumer's budget line is now RS, the new budget line is RS, this is the new budget line. What are the new prices of X and Y? Okay, now what you can do is you can see how much quantity of X, maximum quantity of X you can purchase with your income. When you consume all of your income for purchasing X good, it means you can purchase maximum 20 units, and it means if you have $30 income and you can purchase 20 units consuming entire income on purchasing X, then it means 30 divided by 20 will give us $1.5 price of good X. It means 1 unit of X will be worth $1.5. On the other hand, if you can purchase maximum 12 units of Y good consuming entire income of $30, then you can find out price of Y as well. 30 divided by 12 will give us $2.50 So 2.50 is the price of Y. So option A is correct answer. This book contains a lot of MCQs relevant to budget line and indifference curve, and if you want to try maximum possible questions of this topic, then you are suggested to consult this book. And this book also explains every question at the end of each topic. So this is it, and the next video I will be sharing with you is relevant to economic efficiency. So see you in the next video.